This is a WalkingPad, the most portable machine for walking. With only 57 millimeters thick, 82 centimeters long, and only 10.4 centimeters high. Frames are made of high-quality steel. This walking machine has around 99 kilograms weight capacity. And 2 walking boards provides you more comfortable and more sturdy workout experience anywhere. It comes with a tiny remote control, with which you can start the machine, and control the speed. It is lightweight and its wheels make it easy to move around. It is easy to use. Just plug and turn on power, and start walking. It comes with a small LED screen, which tells you the time you have walked. There is no assembly required. It comes fully assembled out of the box. It can be stored easily, in your living room, study, a small corner or under the sofa or bed. It is a smart walk folding treadmill, made from durable material. It is very smart, when comes to speed control while walking on it. Which means, speed can be controlled by human motion. So you can have the speed you want, a little fast or normal pace. When done walking, to fold it simply press a small button and it folds into half of its size. It is perfect for a quick workout at home or in office. You can walk anytime. Whether you want to relax after dinner, or after sitting for a long time. You can enjoy relaxing and quiet walking exercise. A perfect way to keep your body in motion, anytime, anywhere. It is available on Amazon. And to buy, the link is provided in the description below. This is the end of the video, and please provide your feedback about the video, and for more videos hit subscribe button. Thank you for watching.